What's up, everyone? Got Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California. So for today, it's not going to be much of a vlog. I'm going to keep it really short. All I'm really doing is testing out some new items. So first thing, I've got the Shoei CWR1 photochromic transitions face shield that I'm trying out for the first time today. We don't really, the sun's kind of down on the horizon a little bit, so I'm not going to get the full effect of the transitions. Plus it's a little cold today, and not that the wind has anything to do with it, but it's windy as hell today, so it's not really a great day to be riding. So other new items we got going on, I got new grips. I used some Amazon money to get those. You know, good old Christmas Amazon cards, gotta love those. If you look at that, I don't know if you can see it or not, it is 51 degrees, and I'm complaining. Don't judge me, I know it's colder where most of you live. For my Amazon order, I ordered the Avon grips, which I'm gonna put a link to everything that I ordered, so you all can check it out. The Amazon grips I got because they're a little cheaper than the Harley ones. The only thing I'm not liking about them is they're super skinny. They're way skinnier. I had the Harley Get a Grip grips, and I absolutely loved them, but the grip part, the rubber part, was worn out. So I decided to try these Avons, and you know, the downside to ordering things online is you just don't know. You can't really check them out. So before I used the transitions visor that I got from my old man for Christmas, I wanted to put a pin lock in it, so I went ahead and ordered that from Amazon with my gift cards. And I'm also running with a new squid, Giant Squid Laboratories, I think is what they're called. It's a new microphone, it's supposed to be better. Now, one issue that I noticed just when I was starting to get ready to leave today, the mic plug doesn't stay very well in the jack. It comes out really easy, so I don't know if at some point I'm going to have a problem where my mic's going to come unplugged and I'm going to lose my audio. So for today, I got the secondary. I got the Cena audio also, just in case this doesn't work out, so at least I'll have a vlog. With the Giant Squid microphone, I got some really nice dead cat fur, the fuzzy mic covers to prevent wind noise. So we'll see how that works out. I'm hoping this mic works a lot better than my other one did. Although most of the impressions that I get from people is that my audio is fine, but it's still, when I'm listening to it, it bothers me because I can hear too much of the wind and road noise. And I'm trying to get rid of that and make my voice stand out a little more over top of the wind. Now, I'll do actual reviews on all these items at some point. I'm not doing them right now. It's just like a test run. So far with the face shield, it's kind of weird because looking out it doesn't look to me like it's tinted at all, so I thought something was wrong with it. But then when I look in my mirror, it looks pretty well tinted, so we'll see. I'm going to see what this camera shows me as far as that works out. The other problem I'm running into with the skinny grips is my cramp buster that I use on my throttle side is kind of stretched out a little bit from being on the bigger grips before, so I might have to go buy a new one of those. Really not a big deal, it's only 10 bucks. So I can easily get that done. My ride today, I'm just going over to my mom's house to grab a few things that we forgot to bring home on Christmas that we left there. I left one of my jackets, my son left a hat, and I think his iPad charger's at the house. Then on the way home, I'm going to stop and grab some beer, because you all know how I hate being without beer in my house. So right now, I really just wanted to go for a ride because, you know, between work and the weather, I haven't had a chance to ride much. And I might be able to get out on Thursday. Not positive of that, so I just wanted to go for a little rip around town to, you know, at least get my fix going, you know? And gift card wise, I still got about 70 bucks worth that I can spend at the Harley store. Now I'm considering just putting those gift cards aside and holding on until I'm gonna hold on to it and maybe use that towards getting a new seat. Yeah, I still got a long way to go, but you know, I'm $70 towards it. I'm not sure if Santa Clarita Harley carries settlement seats or not. I know AV Harley does. Problem is, I got a $50 Harley gift card, and then I'm also going to be returning an item for $20 more. So that is going to have to be spent at Santa Clarita Harley. So hopefully they work with settlement. Anyway, I'll pick you all back up when I'm leaving Bevmo and let you know what kind of beer I came up with. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, so I've finished getting my supplies for the night. Go home, watch some football. I think there's still some games on that I didn't miss. And I was going to do an unbagging of the beer that I bought before I loaded it up in my saddlebag, but I realized something. I left all kinds of crap in my saddlebags, and it took a little effort to make it all fit. So once I had it in there, I didn't want to take it back out. Today's winners were, you know, I don't know what it's called. I can't remember the name of the beer. It's a Nutella, and I'm not sure if it's a stout or a porter. But I'll get a picture of it and I'll post it up in the corner like I usually do. But it's like Nutella infused either porter or stout beer. From what I hear, it's really good. I've never tried it before. And I grabbed me a bottle of Captain Morgan Black Rum. That stuff is expensive, but it is so good. Mix a little black rum with Coke, it is so damn good. And after riding around a little bit, the jury's still out on the grips, because from what I hear, after a long ride, your hands can cramp up. But I think I'll be okay, because I don't, like on this side, I don't have like a death grip on my grips, and this side I use the cramp buster. So if it turns out this one won't work out because of the new skinny grips, I'm gonna go buy another one. So it's really not a big deal. I think I'll be able to get used to the grips. They feel a little weird right now. And as far as the transitions visor, so far I like it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell on my rear-facing camera or not. It's nowhere near as dark as it was. Actually, it does look kind of dark still. Probably because I'm in the shade right now, but being that the sun's low on the horizon, it's not necessary to have like the super dark on the shield. So the thing works on UV lights. The more UV rays there are, the darker the visor gets. So it's kind of cool. I've had those issues before where I was like in between, where I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the clear visor out and put it on or leave the dark smoke on. So I won't have to worry about that issue anymore. Kind of nice. I had one on my Bell helmet and I loved it. But for as far as the Shoei one, I've seen mixed reviews, and the Shoei one is $170 compared to $120 for the Bell. But anyway, I gotta use it a little bit, and once I get some use into it, I'll do more of a review type of video on it to let everybody know how it is. I've seen people make a few complaints on the reviews that it stopped turning dark after like a month, so I don't know what the issue is. I know here in California we get some pretty hefty UV rays, so I'm thinking it'll be fine. I don't know if these people were in areas that just don't get the UV issues that we get. But we'll see. I'll do that full review, and if it stops working, I'll file a complaint with Shoei. Shoei's customer service is typically pretty good. So hopefully in this case, if I have any problem, it will be good like usual. So all I'm doing is heading home to throw my beer in the freezer and let it get nice and cold, and then I'll be having me a couple cold ones. So I'll cut the vlog short and end it right now. So rubber side down, shiny side up. Stay safe, everybody. Talk to y'all next time.